Hi guys and welcome to my channel. What came in today? This, another HP Omen. So the story behind this computer is whenever the user watch YouTube video or start playing a video game, it would just crash with a black screen. And the fans, she's not sure about it, but the fans probably spinned at the full speed. But the reason why it's here today is because it totally crashed. So let me show you what I mean. It tries to load up. So there's some issue in it. Page fault. Could be the memory, could be anything. So this computer, the person is okay to wipe it clean. So what we're going to do is we are going to wipe both the drives. Apparently it has one NVMe and one hard disk, and we'll see what happens when we try and install Windows. Let's do it. The HPs are generally F9 for boot menu. So after we install Windows, if we are successful, we are going to play a game on it and see what happens. So everything looks good so far. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we have a problem. Now this issue is usually caused by either CPU or the memory. So let's test this memory on a different computer. Okay, so we have our trusty 10th Gen i9. We swap the memory over. There's our official memory tester. Let's see what happens. It might not like it first time because the memory changed. It looks like the CPU is either 3600X or 3700X, older CPU, and I don't have them in stock. I'm really hoping it's the memory. We'll let it test it, see what happens. First thing is an error. Cool. You don't get this lucky very often. So now we're going to take one stick out. We just took one stick out and we're going to test again. Oh, look. So this stick has an issue for sure, since only one stick is plugged in. Just put a blue tape on it so it knows, so we know that it's a bad memory. And of course, guys, if you want to know how to build this memory stick and do this test, you can look up this video here. We'll give it like 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes, we're going to put this same stick back in the computer and try and reinstall Windows on it. Huh. This one is bad too. What are the odds? So let's put our sticks in that computer, which would be these guys. And let's see what happens to that computer. It's rare, you know, like I said, you normally don't get 2 sticks of memory bad unless there was an issue and the customer kept on using it and the second one went bad too. F9. What do you guys think? Do you think it was just the memory? Or we're that unlucky we have memory and the CPU bad? Don't remember last time I saw that. Let's see if we can install Windows on it. I wish I can forward this in real life. Looks good so far. If we can install all the drivers, we can call it a success. Well, if it is only the memory, then we are lucky. We don't have the CPU. And this being an HP computer, I doubt it can take 5000 series CPU. So far, it's looking great. Okay guys, so we are officially done with all the tests. Looks like it was the memory sticks only, and it's weird because this is the second time I'm getting both the sticks bad this year. Every driver is good, and I'm going to inform the customer that the computer is ready for pickup, depending on if they want to buy the memory from us. I hope you guys had fun fixing it with me. And until next time, see ya.